Hi, my name is Robbie from 31 Incorporated, makers of XtraSeal. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the latest industry recommended practices when performing a puncture repair on passenger and light truck tires. Let's move on to the steps using a two-piece repair system. It is vital to perform a thorough external and internal inspection first to determine if the tire should be repaired. Make sure to mark the injury with a crayon. Avoid inverting radial tires and excessive spreading of the beads. Look for weather cracking on the sidewall, exposing the cords, and check for any bead damage. Be sure the injury is in the tread area and does not exceed 1/4 inch 6 mm. Use a probe in the injury to remove foreign material and to determine the angle of the injury. Always use appropriate lighting to enable you to clearly see all non-repairable conditions such as run flat, improper repairs, or damage to the external sidewall or inner liner. If the angle of the injury is greater than 25 degrees, you must use a two-piece repair system. Use rubber prep and a scraper to remove contaminants from the inner liner, such as silicone and mold lubricants that will greatly reduce adhesions or even cause failure. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times where needed, and be sure to clean an area larger than the repair. Using a low-speed drill, maximum 1200 RPMs, and the appropriate size carbide cutter, drill the injury from the inside first 3 or 4 times to cut away the steel and provide a round injury channel to accept the stem. Repeat 3 or 4 times from the outside of the tire. Inspect to be sure you do not have splits in the rubber and have removed all the damage. If the injury gets larger than 1/4 inch 6 mm, the tire is non-repairable and therefore there is no need to buff the tire. Apply a thin coat of cement to the tapered portion of the stem and pull the stem through the injury until the stem is 1/8 inch 3 mm above the inner liner. The stem will then vulcanize to the injury channel and the repair unit to prevent moisture and rusting or deterioration. Choose the correct repair unit following industry recommendations. Center the unit over the injury and outline a border 1/2 inch 13 mm larger than the repair unit. To prevent contamination and preserve the outline, buff within the marked area using a low-speed buffer, 5,000 RPM or less, and a fine grit rasp. Buff the liner to a TRMG BT1 or 2 texture to obtain a velvety-looking surface. Remove all rubber dust with a brass brush and vacuum to provide a clean, dry surface. Apply a thin coat of cement to the entire buffed surface. Stippling the cement as shown will speed up dry time. Allow the cement to dry completely. This is usually 3 to 5 minutes, but will vary with the temperature and humidity. Do not use forced air or an outside heat source to accelerate the dry time due to possible contamination. While drying, rotate the injury to the 12 o'clock position to prevent contamination. When installing the repair unit, the beads should be in a relaxed position. Align the bead areas of the repair unit where applicable to point to the beads of the tire. Use the poly backing to prevent touching the back of the unit and push down in the center first. Then use your fingers to secure the unit to the liner. Using your thumb, push down from the center outwards to seat the repair unit to the liner. Next, stitch the entire repair unit using a serrated stitcher vigorously from the center outwards. Repeat this process from the opposite direction. This process will eliminate trapped air and begin the chemical vulcanization process. Cut the remaining part of the stem flush with the tread area without stretching. Apply a coat of inner liner sealer to the repair area, making sure to cover all the exposed buffed surface and over the edges of the repair unit. This helps to maintain the integrity of the liner for the life of the tire. Thanks for watching today's video on passenger and light truck two-piece puncture repair. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can check out more videos to help make you the best in the industry.